Making someone miss you requires a deep understanding of psychological principles. Check out this comprehensive guide that breaks down 6 techniques to make a woman miss you, even if she's not into you at first. The guide is divided into sections, each delving into a technique with psychological theories and practical applications. 1. Create positive experience. Positive experiences are key in building emotional connections. According to Barbara Fredrickson's broaden and build theory, positive emotions help expand our cognitive and behavioral abilities, leading to lasting personal resources and stronger social ties. The reward system theory in the brain also emphasizes the importance of positive interactions, as pleasurable experiences trigger the release of dopamine, reinforcing the desire for more of those interactions. Infuse humor into your relationship by sharing jokes, watching funny videos, or playfully teasing each other. Laughter can strengthen your bond and create lasting memories filled with joy and fun. 2. Be mysterious and intriguing. Mystery and intrigue can heighten interest and attraction. The need for closure theory posits that people are uncomfortable with ambiguity and are driven to resolve it, leading to increased attention and curiosity. Being a bit mysterious triggers this psychological need, making her think about you more. Avoid oversharing. Maintain an air of mystery by revealing personal information gradually. 3. Give her space. The idea of giving space is rooted in the psychological reactance theory, which states that people desire what they feel is being restricted or taken away. By not always being available, you give her the opportunity to miss you, thus increasing her interest and desire. Have balanced availability. Be there for her without being too pushy. Show your care without coming off as desperate or clingy. 4. Be supportive and understanding. Being supportive is essential for creating strong emotional connections. According to attachment theory, reliability and emotional support are the foundation of secure attachment. By being a supportive presence in her life, you can make her feel valued and appreciated, leading to a deeper emotional bond. Have active listening. Listen carefully when she talks and respond with care. 5. Enhance your personal value. The foundation of personal value lies in being attractive not only physically, but also emotionally and intellectually. The self-determination theory highlights the significance of autonomy, competence, and relatedness in establishing personal value. Being self-assured, capable, and independent makes you more appealing. Personal worth is not just about physical attractiveness, but also emotional and intellectual appeal. The self-determination theory stresses the importance of autonomy, competence, and relatedness in developing personal value. Being confident, competent, and self-sufficient makes you more attractive. 6. Maintain positive communication. Show that you care and pay attention to details in your messages. Positive communication is key to maintaining a healthy relationship. The communicator-recipient loyalty hypothesis suggests that positive communication can strengthen loyalty and attachment in relationships. By communicating effectively, trust and understanding are built, increasing the likelihood of her missing you when you're not around. At last, creating positive memories, keeping an element of surprise, allowing for personal space, showing support, boosting self-worth, and keeping communication open are all key in making someone miss you. These methods are rooted in basic psychological principles that strengthen emotional bonds and attraction. By applying these tactics with care and regularity, you can leave a strong impact that will make her long for your presence. Always remember to be sincere, considerate, and understanding. Building a deep connection requires patience and dedication, but the outcome is truly rewarding. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned.